guys, and welcome back to my channel where we review all things Amazon, hotels, and even ways to make money online. Today we're going to be reviewing this 10-inch Wi-Fi digital photo frame. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. User manual. Here's the actual picture frame itself. It's got like that nice wood finish on the side. Optional micro SD card, which does support up to 64 gigs. It's got a Type-C option, then a way for you to power it on right here. It does come with the power adapter. So let's go and actually hook it up and try it out. All right, so I'll go ahead and actually plug it in. There we go. All right, so we'll just go ahead and hit OK down here. And we'll go ahead and actually set it up. As you can see, it is touchscreen. We're gonna go ahead and hook it up to the Wi-Fi. And by the way, you actually don't have to have Wi-Fi. This is just if you wanna be able to wirelessly transfer your photos from your phone to here, but you can also download them onto like an SD card and have them on here like that as well. So I guess the Wi-Fi is optional. All right, and then since I don't have an actual backup to restore this from, I'm gonna go ahead and just hit set up as new, and then it's gonna have us set it up with our name. And where you're keeping it, so I'm just gonna put living room. And then what's cool is it's gonna guide us through exactly how to get it going. Generate a code. Once you press the friend icon, you can send them a code so that way they can install their photos on here as well. We'll go ahead and download the Frameo app. And it looks like we're ready. Check that out. Very clean. And then if you hit the settings, it'll give you like the weather, how you want it in Celsius or Fahrenheit, different things like that that'll show in the main screen. So let's go and actually download some photos on here and see how it looks. All right, so we're gonna start by downloading that Frameo app. All right, and then once it's downloaded, it'll load all your photos right on here. So it'll let you select up to 10 at once. So I'm gonna go ahead and select a couple there just so we can test it out. I'm gonna hit add new frame. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit add friend on here and it'll generate the QR code for us. So I'm gonna just go ahead and scan that, or you can enter it as well. There we go. New frame, waiting, and it'll let you know that it did find it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit next. Next. Oh, that's cool. So you're actually able to adjust how it's gonna look on here. So I'm gonna actually move that one up just a little bit. And that should be good. There it is. Check it out. That's super cool. Quality is really nice. Our doggy. 3 photos, see, so it's letting you know that they're all coming in. Another picture of our dog there. And then it's like at an event. So very, very cool. As you can see, very simple. Like we didn't have to do too much. And what's also cool is you can actually transfer videos on here as well. So let's see if we can do that. All right, so I got one picked out. One thing that I do want to mention, it does have to be between 3 to 15 seconds. So it does allow you to go ahead and trim it right within there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and send it now. And it'll let you know the progress there. Just kind of a random video that was about 30 seconds, but I trimmed it down to the 15. And then one thing that I do want to point out as well is the included stand is very useful because it doesn't just have to be this way. You can actually set it up, as you can see, and it'll adjust that way as well. So that is very cool. So you can have it however you like. I do love that you can do both, especially the video. Most people record like this now, so if you want to have all your photos and videos showing this way, you can do that as well. Or have it more traditional right here. And then I just want to point out, it does show the time and weather right here. We can go ahead and close this notification. All right, so the video just came through. Check this out. So very, very cool that you can send videos as well. And then one thing that I do want to point out about the slideshow, in your settings, you can actually mute it to where, you know, there is, like, let's say it's late at night, you don't want the video playing, so you can either bring down the volume, or there's an auto mute that'll turn it off after 10 minutes on its own. You can, if you don't want the weather to show on there or the cloud, you can turn all that off. So like I said, you can change exactly how you wanted to display the photos. Even if you wanted to change it by the date you received them, just shuffle them around, date taken, you can do that. Currently, I have it to 30 seconds on each photo. So you, like I said, you can change to 5 seconds, whatever you want, right? So very, very cool. So if you guys are looking for a new digital photo frame, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.